A very good afternoon to everybody. Today I come with the message of the day, and also people who have told me to remove a card for them. I'll be doing this after the video. So let's start with the message of the day. First card is belief and trust. Before going to sleep tonight, say Archangel Michael, please enter my dreams and replace fear and faith with trust. Replace fear with faith and trust. Let me be filled with strength, courage, and confidence. So, this is a card of having faith and trust, replacing all your fears with trust and belief in whatever you're thinking right now. Second card is energy healing work. This is a card, thank you for sending healing energy to me and through me, for my own blessings and for all those around me. So basically, either someone is giving you energy healing or you are helping others. So this is a card guiding you to either help others in any form. It can be monetary, emotionally, or any way. And also if you are taking help, that will also help you. So thank you for connecting me to loving and high integrity healers and teachers of energy healing modalities. This is gold, divine intervention. God sends miracles to answer sincere prayers. So this is a card of showing that whatever you've been praying, or there are situations in which we tell a lot of people to pray for this situation. So this is a card saying that miracles are here to happen, or God is answering these prayers through intuitions that can come very strongly inside you as visions or strong intuitions. So listen to those intuitions right now very carefully, and God is about to answer your prayer right now. So these are the three cards, and the tarot question today is, since we are all in this lockdown situations, we have a lot of misunderstandings with our family members, people who are staying in joint family or neutral family, this is a difficult time where we are having even fights with others, misunderstandings. So this is a question of saying how to deal with these problems that are happening at home right now, misunderstandings or any kind of fights you're having, and you just can't cope up and you are very irritated and frustrated. So let's see. First is a card of taking break, taking space, and kind of detaching yourself from the situation, or just going in your room and taking time to yourself and sitting with yourself after the fight or anything, just kind of taking a break from the situation, spacing it out. The second is justice. Justice is a card that even if these things are happening, the justice will be given to you. You will be getting the rewards for your patience, and just kind of kind of deal with the situations. Justice will come. So even if there are few things happening at your home, the justice, it will be in a rewarding way for you. Seven is a card of struggle off and on. This is a part and parcel of life. Accept it, and it will, some days will be good, some days will be bad. Then is patience, kind of wait and don't react, don't kind of flare up or anger, basically. Just try to keep your cool, try to keep your calm, and think before reacting, and just don't react completely, like out of sudden. Just have patience. And this is a card of emotional connect. So even if you see that there are many people who are staying all alone, they are just staying in the house all alone, no one around them. So in this situation, of course we have our loved ones around, we have fights, but take this situation as a blessed situation, that there are people with whom you're staying. Many people are staying all alone, so it's a blessed situation where, okay, fights are there, but at least then you say sorry, and things become normal. So this is also a blessed situation. So this is the reading, and if you like the video, please do share it. And I have this Facebook page, Soul Wave. Also I have an Insta page, soul_wave21, also on YouTube. You can follow my FB page, Soul Wave. And if you have any questions, or if you want to ask for yourself, you can just write in the comment box. Thank you.